And so this concept that we're actually developing here, it comes out of our work and research, and it's a phenomenon that we've noticed repeatedly over and over. And so we've decided to put it in formal terms and define it because it's a real issue here. And so the way this works is that you see the diagram. And so as we start to learn about race, we learn about social structures and learn, okay, there's racism out in the world at the macro level and social structures. But down at the level of self, like I'm not racist though. There's racism out there, but it's not in my community. It's not in my friends and family aren't racist, and I'm certainly not racist. And then we keep learning, and we learn, okay, well, you know what? There is racism in my community. Okay, but not my friends and family, and I'm certainly not racist. And then, well, wait, I do have that cousin and uncle, and they're pretty racist actually. So okay, but I'm not racist. And then, so it keeps shrinking and shrinking until that last wall, which is the hardest one to bring down, the wall of self, and taking the U-turn to look at how racism manifests within us. And so at this point, when we take that U-turn to look at how we internalize racism, it's only at this point that a sustainable and compassionate anti-racist practice becomes possible. Because whatever we do, if we don't involve ourselves and implicate our own selves in the structures and processes of race and racism, then any attempt we make to be anti-racist will in some way reinscribe and reinforce racism unintentionally. But intentions don't matter. It's the outcome that matters. And so we're likely to disproportionately harm BIPOC folks if we're not looking at the way ideologies manifest within us.